Hefei Xinzan Construction Machinery Company Limited is located in Hefei City, the capital of Anhui Province. It is an enterprise specializing in the sale of used excavators and other industrial machinery, and it has become one of the largest used construction machinery companies in Hefei in the past 20 years. The company has insisted on the spirit of diligence, efficiency, and innovation, specializing in the construction machinery sales industry for 2 decades, and has established a marketing network covering the whole country. It also focuses on overseas markets and has maintained a great relationship of cooperation with customers from different countries and regions around the world over the past 10 years. The company is mainly engaged in the trading of used excavators, forklifts, loaders, cranes, hoists, and bulldozers, including the best-selling models and the latest models of various brands over the years. Meanwhile, the company is also involved in the sale of road construction machinery, shoveling machinery, road machinery, mixing machinery, and others. Our products reach 7 categories, covering nearly 200 different products and models, mainly used in highways, airports, ports, railroads, bridges, energy facilities, telecommunications projects, coal mines, and other infrastructure construction and maintenance. Xinzan Company has the best professional technical support team and after-sales team to assist our customers in using and operating the equipment smoothly.